Welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start chapter 4, Operating a Computer, part 1. In this chapter we are going to study how to start a computer, how to switch off the computer, and about desktop, icons and taskbar. So let's begin. Computer. Computer is a machine which works on electricity. Do you know children? कंप्यूटर मशीन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे वर्क करती है. Let us know about the parts of computer. CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. This is the picture of CPU. It is the one of the important part of computer. Monitor. This is the picture of monitor. Whatever we type with the help of keyboard and mouse is displayed on monitor. Mouse. Children, this is the picture of mouse. With the help of mouse we can draw pictures and we can select the icons on the desktop. Keyboard. This is the picture of keyboard. With the help of keyboard we can type alphabets and numbers. The parts of computer CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard require electricity. इन सब के लिए क्या required होता है? Electricity. Now you know children the parts of computer CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard. Before you learn to do various types of work on computer, you should know how to start it and how to close it. Now children, let us know how to start computer. Starting a computer. Follow the given step to start a computer. Step 1. Switch on the main power supply. You have to switch on the power switch. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. This is the picture of UPS. You have to press the UPS button as shown in the picture. Step 3. This is the picture of CPU, Central Processing Unit. Switch on the power button on the Central Processing Unit. Press it lightly. The small light on CPU is on and now it is blinking. Step 4. This is the picture of monitor. Switch on the monitor. Press the button on the monitor. The monitor also has a small light indicating that it is on. As shown in picture, you have to press the button which is on monitor. When you switch on the button, there is a small light indicating that it is on. Now monitor will display this type of picture. It is a starting Windows. You have to wait till the computer loads Windows operating system. Do not press any keyboard key or a mouse button until you get the Windows desktop on monitor. When this screen will display, you don't touch any button of the keyboard and don't touch the mouse button. You have to wait until you get the Windows desktop on monitor. Now on the monitor, welcome screen will display. Now your computer is ready to use. You can access your files and folders. You can draw pictures on monitor. It's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Children, bye bye.